Jeremiad is a noun that refers to a long mournful complaint or a prolonged expression of sorrow or lamentation, often filled with warnings of doom or moral decline. A Jeremiad typically criticizes societal issues, focusing on the problems, misdeeds, or downfalls that the speaker believes have led to or will lead to disaster. Origins of Jeremiad. The word Jeremiad is derived from the biblical prophet Jeremiah, who in the book of Jeremiah warned the people of Israel about their sins and the impending consequences if they did not change their ways. Jeremiah's prophetic words often emphasized doom and lamentation, which inspired the term Jeremiad as a description for any similarly sorrowful, reproachful, or warning-filled speech or writing. How to use Jeremiad. A Jeremiad is typically used to describe speeches, essays, or commentaries that focus on societal ills and foretell unfortunate consequences. If change doesn't occur, the word is often associated with intense criticism or a pessimistic view of the future, filled with lament about the present state of things and a cautionary tone about what lies ahead if the issues aren't addressed. Example sentences. The author's latest book is a Jeremiad against modern technology, predicting a bleak future if humanity doesn't change its ways. Her speech turned into a Jeremiad, condemning the current political climate and warning of the consequences of inaction. Similar words: lamentation, an expression of grief or sorrow; diatribe, a bitter, sharply abusive denunciation or criticism; tirade, a long, angry speech of criticism or accusation. In essence, a Jeremiad conveys a deep sense of sorrow mixed with a warning. It is a way for someone to express dissatisfaction with the present state of affairs while calling for reflection or change, often with a tone that's as mournful as it is cautionary.